Hey guys, welcome back to my page. It's Cactus Uncle. Today we're going to do they call it the Paper Thorn Cactus, Tephrocactus, and it's a really unique, cool specimen. The big white thorns are not very spiky and they don't hurt, but it has tons of little tiny thorns in there called glockids that will really mess you up if you're not careful. Right here, I'm demonstrating that the pod is like really brittle and old. I try to reuse my plastic pots as many times as I can before I throw them out. So I'm just kind of tearing it out for easier access to the root ball. Tearing it up a little bit though, so I go ahead and opt to use the tongs, which is pretty easy. I mean, this is a hardy plant. You're not going to hurt it unless you like smash it or something, so he'll be just fine. So yeah, the tongs make it easy because it does, again, have little tiny thorns in there that are very annoying once they get in you. So, looks like a lot of the dirt came off, but it had a pretty good root ball on it. This guy's been in that pot for a little bit too long. He's getting pretty tall and top heavy. So, being careful not to touch the actual base of the plant because of the little thorns. I wedged it right into the middle there. And then we'll just go ahead and use an appropriate cactus mix that drains well. Very important for, especially for these really drought-tolerant plants. These will not like a very rich mix. So here I'm just gonna pack it down a little bit. And yeah, I mean, even this is I'm gonna be taking it out of this pot in probably like a year or so. So even this isn't too big. You could go a little bit bigger than that. And don't forget to visit my page, cactusuncle.com, for premium seed-grown cactus and rooted cuttings. Thanks.